Florida construction companies are required to have coverage for all employees. Sole proprietorships and partners in the construction industry are considered employees and are automatically included for workers' compensation coverage purposes. They are not eligible to exempt out of workers' compensation coverage. Sole props and partnerships must have workers' comp coverage to work legally in the state of Florida. Corporate officers are considered employees and are included for coverage purposes. However, corporate officers are allowed to file an exemption online at myfloridacfo.com/WC. Up to 3 corporate officers of a construction corporation can file for an exemption. The corporation must be registered and listed as active with the Florida Division of Corporations. Applicant must be listed as an officer of the corporation in the Division of Corporations records. Applicant must own at least 10% of the corporation's stock to apply for an exemption. An exemption costs $50 and must be renewed every 2 years to remain valid. Limited liability companies. Owners, usually called members or managing members of LLCs, are considered employees and are included for on a work comp policy unless they file an exemption online at myfloridacfo.com/WC. Up to 3 LLC owners may file for an exemption. The LLC must be registered and listed as active with Florida, the Division of Corporations database. Applicant must be listed as an officer of the corporation in the Division of Corporations records. The applicant must own at least 10% of the LLC to be eligible for an exemption. The exemption costs $50 and must be renewed every 2 years to remain valid. If you have any questions, please call 1-800-860-9467 to talk with a licensed insurance broker at flworkcomp.com.